Hello, fellow language explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Learning English with Movies, where we bring lessons to life with examples from famous films. Today, we're diving into the world of the present simple tense. Don't worry, it's just like its name. Simple. In this video, we will explain how to ask questions. And don't forget to subscribe, because we will talk about how to ask questions with the verb to be in our next video. Let's get started. You already know how to make a sentence with the present simple tense. You just need to take the verb without to at the beginning, but always remember to add an S with he, she, or it. Okay, now let's learn how to ask questions. Put do before the subject to make a question. For he, she, or it, use does. Do I like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Does he like ice cream? Does she like ice cream? Do we like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Do they like ice cream? Here's a little secret to remember the order of the words. You always start with do or does. Then you add the subject. Then you add the verb. It's easy, right? For instance, you can say, do you like pizza? Does she speak English? Do we need our books? Let's look at some examples.
Adolf, do you think I'm ugly?
Yes.
Do they need to do their homework or something?
Do you believe in him, Verbal?
Send them to...
Do you trust me?
What?
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Then jump!
Marv Brickman, does he know who you are if I call his office?
Does it make you feel better?
Does this happen to you often?
Does it make you feel bored or stupid?
Does it depress you, Commissioner, to know just how alone you really are?
We call these questions yes or no questions. So, if someone asks you a question with do at the beginning, just answer yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do you like cats? Yes, I do. Do you like mosquitoes? No, I don't. For a question about someone else, use the right pronoun followed by do or does if the answer is yes, and don't or doesn't if the answer is no. Do they speak English? Yes, they do. Does he work in a restaurant? Yes, he does. Do we have school today? No, we don't. Does she drive a car? No, she doesn't. All right, you're now on your way to make great questions with the present simple. But here's a very easy way to quickly improve your conversation level in English. You need to ask questions with special words, called the 5W words. These words are what, who, when, where, and why. Here's how it works. All you have to do is make a question with the present simple. Then, just add the right word in front of the sentence to change its meaning. Just be careful that your sentence makes sense. What? You can use it to ask about a thing, an action, or an event. What do you eat for breakfast? Who? To ask for information about a person and their identity. Who do I need to call? When? This is useful to ask about the time of a specific event or something that happens regularly. When does the movie start? When do you usually play tennis? Where? Is to ask about a location, the place of an action, or an event, or a destination. Where do you live? Why? You can use this word to ask about the cause of something or the reason behind it. Why do you watch this video? Usually people answer with the word because I want to improve my English. There are many other ways to ask questions in English, and we will talk about them later in another video. But for now, you can already use this 5 words to practice asking simple questions. Here are some examples for you.
You know what they call a quarter pounder with cheese in Paris?
What do they call it?
They call it Royale with cheese.
Royale with cheese.
That's right.
What do they call a Big Mac?
Big Mac's a Big Mac, but they call it Le Big Mac.
Le Big Mac.
Okay, so what do you need besides a miracle?
Guns. Lots of guns.
So what do you think? Does it come in black?
Well, who do you think I am?
Who do you hate, Danny?
When you say the family, who do you mean exactly? You?
Why does he hate us so much?
Indy, why does the floor move?
Why does it matter what happens to me?
So where does the power come from to see the race to its end?
Where does it come from?
Hey, smells good. When do we eat?
So tell me, Gordon, when does it all end, huh?
Now, it's time to practice what you have learned. You will see sentences without verbs. Your job is to put them in the present simple tense. Ready? Go.
So, what do you want with my hair?
Where does the water come from?
So when does the target get here then?
Why do you always have to look?
Who do I talk to?
Why does the writer use these lines?
That's it for today. I hope you've learned a lot about the present simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful lessons. Until next time, keep learning and you'll improve your English in no time.